Morning YouTube, it's Trev here. Something or nothing. Got a new toy. I picked myself up a Bushbox LF outdoor stove. What does the LF stand for? Don't ask me, I forgot. There's a small one and an XL, and this is the one in the middle. So I thought, I didn't want to go to the big one, and the small one looked too small, so I thought I'd give this a try. But it does look a lot smaller than I thought that it would. Our foldable medium-sized stove combines the advantages of the standard Bushbox and the Bushbox XL. High performance, fully foldable, reduced weight and outstanding quality. Made in Germany. Cooks with wood, spirit burners, fuel tablets, gel fuel, etc. Lightweight and packs super small. Alright, so let's see what's in the package. So it comes in a nice little satchel. It's quite light. Obviously it's metal, so it's, you know, relatively heavy, but I have to weigh that when I... Let's go and get me scales. Back again. So let's have a look. Got my trusty scales here. 0.50 kilograms, so half a kilogram. So let's have a look inside. Now, I've never really done any bushcraft and things. I quite like the idea. I'm not sure you can use these on Dartmoor because it is still a flame. It's not quite a little stove, but they are obviously, they're a raised platform and it keeps it safer. So it is small. That is very small, isn't it? I wonder what the little one would be like then if this is the medium. So maybe I should have gone for the larger one, but we'll have an idea. So it folds out like this, and then there's two flaps inside. The first one goes down solid, and then the next flap goes across. See that? And that's obviously your grill, catches your ash. So there you go. And then you got these, which slot onto the top here, like thus. One there. So there we go. That's the Bushbox LF. I've got a few bits to start a fire with. I've got some cotton wool with some petroleum jelly on. Also, I collected lint from the washing machine. So I thought that's quite dry, fluffy. That might start. Then I've got a bag of twigs I went out collecting around our woodland, and also found a lot of this flaking off the trees, that thin papery bark. I thought that would be good. So let's have a look. I've got my fire scratcher that I've never used. So we'll just have a go, see what happens. Oh, that's gone. That's gone. I didn't expect that to go quite so quick. Okay, so that was the petroleum jelly on there. That stuff's burning very quick. Try and get some sticks in. You can put them in through the top. Smoking fair. Try and tuck some more bark in. That stuff does smoke very well. I thought I'd be here trying to light that for ages. I didn't expect that to go quite as quick, so I must be a natural bushcrafter. Soon tell. I don't want to smother it. I'll probably put too much in there at once. Get some more of that in there. That seems to work well. It's hot now. Yeah, I thought this is a great way to sort of have a contained fire, still practice your bushcrafting skills. and also cook. I'm going to cook egg, bacon and fried bread, I thought. Obviously it's going to be very hot to touch, so you know you won't be moving it in a hurry, so make sure you set it away from things that are likely to catch on fire. I want to make sure them sticks catch now before I start cooking on it. I didn't get to try my lint. Next time I'll try some lint. Right, we'll leave that going for a minute, see if that catches. Right, I'm happy that that's going now. So I've got my little saucepan. Get that on the side. See if we can melt the lard. I always use lard for my bacon. It brings out the flavours. I know it's probably not as healthy. Probably a lot of lard. Probably too much lard. Right, it's snicking away. Let's get the bacon on. It's only a tiny pan. Turn them over. It's cooking well. It smells really nice as well. Now, I'll probably put my egg in now. Yeah, it's all become one. Don't want it to get too hot because the egg spreads, doesn't it? But at the moment, that's just a big mess in there, isn't it? God, the heat kicking off of that though. Now, I was having this discussion with my son the other day about what came first, the chicken or the egg. And I don't know about you, but I've always thought it's obvious that the egg came first because the chicken would have evolved. So at one point it wouldn't have been a chicken, but whatever it had evolved from had probably always laid an egg. Makes sense, doesn't it? Now I like my bacon a bit crispier than that. Perhaps with not so much egg all over it, but... Let's get that rind crackling. You like a crispy rind? I don't want to break it. I'll break the egg. I've made a right mess of that. It's all going to taste the same, so it's fine. Now what I want to do is try and lift it all up on here. Get the bread in. Yeah, one of my favourite things at the moment is fried bread. Oh, it needs more wood in there. It needs to be hot for fried bread. It's not frying. It's definitely a good little stove. It's just I'm probably not the best chef. I should have stocked it up with a bit more wood before I put the bread in. Get it up to heat. While that's doing, I'll go and get my plate and knife and fork. Got my plate down here. Stick a bit of red on. Cooking around the edges. I think that's about it. And there we go, a Bushbox fry up. So yeah, a little bit of practice, Trev. You can get away with that, but looks tasty. Fried bread is my biggest craving at the moment. Bit of bacon, let's have a taste. That's good. I look forward to using that in future. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks very much. Cheers.